Implications for the forge floor. The reader's craft evolves. Without rank, every transcript becomes more artisanal. Readers must rely on grain and temper, the actual rigor of the coursework, and the profile's narrative, the grade distributions, the growth patterns. Context becomes the hammer. Discernment becomes the fire. Institutions that still depend on rigid heuristics may find that their tools are slipping, unable to grip the shape of a modern file. 2. Modeling loses a keystone variable. In predictive frameworks, class ranks once served as a convenient pillar. Strong, linear, easy to normalize. But with its collapse, models require realloying. Analysts must now combine smaller, context-rich features, rigor scores, grade trends, and localized normalization. The loss is not catastrophic, but it forces evolution. This is adaptive enrollment management at work. When the material changes, the mold must change with it. 3. Equity and access recast. Many schools retired rank to actually reduce harm, yet inequities still hide in the slag. Some institutions risk disadvantaging students from rank reporting schools if they interpret missing rank as neutral rather than not applicable. Likewise, some predictive systems may overvalue the presence of a rank simply because it exists. Fairness demands recalibration. Equal footing whether the transcript glows with numbers or narrative. Messaging and relationship work. Counselors are now your forward partners in explaining process to families. Clear, empathetic communication about how your institution interprets no rank transcripts builds trust and it diffuses anxiety. If your review rubric truly balances narrative and data, show that. A short explainer or inclusion in counselor newsletters can reassure that fairness remains part of your alloy. 5. The data future. The rank field's demise is a preview of broader transitions towards student-owned transcripts, narrative evaluations, and even AI-assisted reading. Every missing number pushes institutions to invest in better context, data partnerships, metadata about schools. We are learning once again that missing does not mean nothing. It means look closer.